So
it's cold.
it's the first thing we have to say. It's spring, but you wouldn't know it.
Yesterday was lovely and warm. Today it's I think like 9 or 10 degrees and really windy. So
yeah, it's not a good day to be out, but we're desperate to get out and fly a bit of RC. So Jason and Dom here. Dom on camera. Jason's got his TBS, his Team Black Sheep Capi out, which is probably the best wing we've flown. Wouldn't you say?
They fly really well. They're a nightmare to launch. I've got auto launch set up and I get a success rate of about 50%.
So this could be a very short video.
It could be a very short video, but the parts are really easy to get hold of for them. So, and for this flight, it's not really dark enough, but I have installed, and we to be fair, we installed these a long time ago, and we just haven't got round to it, have we? And
who are the lights from?
They're from Menace RC, and I've put 6 on here just as a little trial. And I don't know how they're going to show on the camera, but they are really bright. I don't know how bright they appear on the camera.
That's good. They look good.
Myself and James have flown with these, and you can see each other really easy for finding each other with them. So I've set them up on a switch.
Lights off, lights on.
And when you're trying to follow each other around, it's a really good way to spot each other, because sometimes you can lose each other quite easily flying.
All right, let's get this wing in the air and let's get some altitude, and then let's see how visible these lights are.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey!
So now I've taken control.
That worked well.
It did actually, yeah.
Really well.
Manual mode. Stabilize mode.
So you should be able to see those lights now.
Yeah, no problem.
Pass.
So this runs on 4S?
4S, yeah. But they're not slow.
Sound like an F1 car with the echo off the trees.
Yeah, they are quite noisy. See the lights a bit better if I'm upside down.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's such a shame I can't record the OSD. That's 100 miles an hour.
How high is that? Is that 400 feet?
We're 170 metres.
Oh, you're
yeah.
gone all metric.
Yeah. Times it by 3.3, I think.
Yeah, I'll do that in my head.
So we're at 200 metres now, so that's a bit easier. So about 600 feet.
Lights still look really good.
Even at that height?
Yeah.
Wow. So that is now 105 miles an hour. And you know what? These wings, they fly really well.
Lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on.
Alright, let's bring it around for a lap.
Nice.
There we go. So, I think the best lights we've ever had, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Without a shadow of a doubt.
They're
And we've tried,
super bright, 600 feet, they look good.
yeah, we've tried quite a few lights, and I'm really impressed with these. The main benefit for me is when you're flying with others, you can see each other.
Yeah.
So, because on the FPV system, it's bright enough that you can see them. So,
Yeah, half a mile away, you'd be able to see those lights.
yeah, absolutely. I mean, I've got the Maytech lights on my quad, and they're nowhere near as bright as this. So, yeah, the Menace RC ones.
Look them up.
Really bright, yeah.
We'll put the
Put a
link.
link in the description.
They're not a lot of money. We'll put the link in the video description and the pinned comment so you can look them up. But thanks to Menace RC for letting us review them. It's taken us a little
Just
while.
to let you know, you can either turn them on and off with your flight controller, or they do a switch. So it plugs into a port on your receiver, and then it's actually like just a switch. You can turn anything on and off, but on this case, you can use the switch to turn the lights on and off. But,
All right.
yeah, you can turn anything on and off.
We'll put a link to that as well.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Jay.
Thanks so
If
much.
you've enjoyed this little review, then please subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads on live streams. Thanks very much. And Jay, cheers. See you next time.
See you next time.
How high is that? Is that 400 feet?
We're 170 meters.
Oh, you're
yeah.
gonometric.
Yeah. Times it by 3.3, I think.
Yeah, I'll do that in my head.
So we're at 200 meters now, so that's a bit easier. So about 600 feet.